He built the most expensive skyscraper in the city, then he humiliated the one man he never should have touched. It was a black tie launch event. Champagne, camera flashes, investors in custom suits worth more than most people's cars. The billionaire Marcus Vell was performing, and then he spotted a quiet man standing near the entrance. No flashy watch, no entourage. Vell walked over loud enough for the press to hear. Staff exits around the back. The room laughed. The quiet man said nothing, just smiled. His name was Daniel Cho. And 30 years ago, he drew the first line of that building on a napkin. He was the architect who conceived it, and buried inside the original commissions agreement was something no one ever bothered to read. A moral rights clause. It survived every sale, every transfer, every signature. It gave Daniel legal authority over how that building was publicly used. His lawyers filed the next morning. The launch event footage became evidence, and the building Vell called his greatest achievement? Daniel had been planning to enforce that clause for 6 months. He just needed Vell to humiliate him on camera first.